Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix the Genshin impact connection timeout problem easy and quick. If you want to fix it, all you need to do first just right click here and then click task manager, and here go to this one here, memory. Now just close all the applications that uses your memory, like Google Chrome and Setup and all of those that you don't need. And now after that, go to settings and go to privacy. Now type here background apps. Click on it. You will find it like that. Now just close applications that you don't need, and that's it. Close all the applications that you don't need and go back and try again, and you will find that your problem is fixed. And that's it. Please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.